Most retirees don't realize they can apply for Social Security retirement benefits entirely online in about 30 minutes. No appointment, no SSA office, no paperwork. Here's the 2026 walkthrough from creating your account to clicking submit, including the 3 things you absolutely need to have ready before you start. First, who qualifies to apply online? You must be at least 61 and 9 months old. That's the earliest the system lets you apply, which is 3 months before you turn 62, the earliest claim age. You must be a US citizen or lawful permanent resident. You can't already be receiving benefits on someone else's record. If you fit those 3 boxes, the online path is open to you. Before you start, gather 3 things. 1. Your Social Security number. 2. Your bank account info, routing number and account number, for direct deposit. 3. Dates and locations of any prior marriages and military service, plus the names and SSNs of any dependents who might also qualify. Have them on a piece of paper next to you, and the application takes 25 minutes instead of an hour. Go to SSA.gov/apply online. If you already have a My Social Security account, sign in. If not, click Create Account. The SSA now uses Login.gov or ID.me for identity verification. Both are free. The verification takes about 5 minutes, driver's license photo, selfie, and a phone call to confirm a code. The application has 9 sections. Personal information, name, date of birth, country of birth. Marriages, every spouse, dates of marriage and divorce or death. Children, names and SSNs of any minor or disabled children. Employment, last 5 years of employers and earnings. Military service, branches, dates, discharge type. Direct deposit, bank info. Tax withholding, optional, the W-4V form. Medicare, enroll now or later. Review and submit. The trickiest question in the application: which month do you want benefits to start? You can choose any month between the month you submit and 4 months later. Picking the wrong month can cost you. Pick a month before your full retirement age and benefits are permanently reduced. Pick a month after and you get delayed retirement credits, 8% more per year of waiting. If you're not sure, our When to Claim video covers the math. Direct deposit. SSA requires it. Paper checks are not an option for new applicants. You'll need your bank's routing number, your account number, and whether the account is checking or savings. Set up a separate account just for SS deposits if you want to keep it simple. That account becomes untouchable for SS garnishment purposes too. After submit, SSA acknowledges by email within 24 hours. They review the application in 1 to 3 weeks. If they need more documents, they call or write. Answer fast. Delays here delay your first payment. Decision letter arrives by mail and shows up in your My Social Security account. First deposit hits your bank account between 30 and 90 days after the decision, retroactive to your benefit start month. Recap. Anyone 61 and 9 months old who's a US citizen or LPR can apply online. Have your SSN, bank info, marriage dates, military service handy. 9 sections take about 30 minutes. Pick your benefit start month carefully. Decision in 1 to 3 weeks. First deposit within 90 days. Done.